Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be learning how to turn images into mascots. You can use them for t-shirts, for logos, or for any other purpose. So let's head on to the tutorial. So first thing first, open the document which you'll be working on. Once it is opened, use any of the selection tools. Here I'll be using the polygonal lasso tool to select out the part which I'll be using for this tutorial. So that is the part around the head. Well, your selection mustn't be that perfect, so you just have to make sure you've selected out the main parts, even though isn't so okay. But make sure that the parts which are needed are included in the selection. Once you're done with the selection, click Ctrl J so it can bring the selection out on a different layer and it can work non-destructively. After that, move to images, move to adjustment, and move to threshold frequency. So on the threshold, we'll be using 70. So you just have to look for the one that works perfect for you. So 70 is okay for me. After that, click Ctrl N to create a new document. You add a gradient to the document. I'll be using a black and white gradient. I will turn the style to radial, then reverse and increase the scale a bit. Let's say 230 or 240. Whatever works for you, you can go with that. Once that is done, the next step is to copy in the selection we did on the first layer. So you just have to drag it into the new document you created, or click Ctrl C to copy, then click Ctrl P to paste. So the object is in the new layer, in the new document. You have to Ctrl T to transform. The next step is to go to select. Once you go to select, go to color range. What this does is to select out the dark parts of those image. So click on OK. Now the dark part should be selected out, and if we import any image on it or any document on it, it will only, and it clip it to that area, it will only show on the area we've selected. So I imported these documents, and now right click and go to create a clipping mask. As you can see, it has clipped to the dark part of the selection we did earlier. I turn down the opacity and then the blending mode, which I'll be using screen as my blending mode. You just have to adjust till you are comfortable with the result. Okay, this is what it looks like. We are through. Now you can use this for a t-shirt, for product packaging, and also you can tweak it into a logo, mascot logo for a brand. What I'm doing now is just adding some final touches to it, which might not really be so necessary. So this is just it. If you found this tutorial helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon to get notified when I upload new content, and again, share this video with a friend who might be interested to learn. Thank you very much, and see you on the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.